Welcome, here I've got Vivo Y52 5G and I'm gonna show you how to turn on and off the camera location tags at this device. So let's start by tapping on camera button to open it, and for now we are on standard photo mode. From here let's go to the right corner button so we can open the advanced camera settings, and here we can find the location option, so it allows us to save the information about the place where we take a picture in the details about it. By using the button from the right, we can turn it off and turn it on as we need. And here also the important thing is that to make it work correctly, when we want to save the actual location of our photo, we have to be connected with the internet, for example the Wi-Fi or mobile data, and we have to also turn on the location of this device. So remember about these two parameters, location and the internet, to make it work. Now let me keep turned on all of these settings. Let's move back to the camera to take a picture. To see it, we have to go to left to the button that follows us straight to the gallery, and this is how the photo looks like. To check its location, we have to tap to the center so we get access to gallery options, and let's simply tap to this I letter button from the right. Here at the third position we have location tags with full address, so greetings from Kraków, Poland. And that's all, thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.